In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to add my channel on Nicegram. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is, of course, download Nicegram on your smartphone device. Then from here, it should look something like this once you get inside of Nicegram. From here, you'll need to go up to the right-hand side where you see this little box on paper. And from here, you'll need to click New Group. From here, you can add who you'd like to invite to this specific group. And let's just click this one right here, Test, and then click Next. And then you can click here, bow and next or test. You can add auto delete text messages, and you can see what access the specific user has. You'll also be up here, be able to add your photos and click create. Now from here, as you can see, you have successfully created your channel. Now to use Nicegram, you'll need to click on this little N down here in the right hand corner. And then you'll be able to add in the voice effect or voice assistant. You can write the analytics, this robot right here, or you can add a password for the specific group text. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!